Whoa! Oh, honey, this ain't no diner. It's a breakfast boogie zone. Oh. 1,000 years in a bottle, and I still didn't miss food fights. Well, look who stumbled into our sticky situation. Poopy, this is our chance. Victory with sprinkles on top. Sure, you could win a bake-off against a toaster strudel. And 37% chance someone's dignity gets pancaked. Oh! That's what'll teach you. Ha! You'll have to do better than that. Breakfast. Whoa! Poopy! Protect my hair! Called it. Kids these days fighting over bottles with breakfast food. In my day, we just flipped the eggs and moved on. Ha! Just as I hypothesized! The sugar surge overloaded the orbital pastry matrix. Exactly! Power input at 110% combined with pastry density exceeding critical fluff factor. And don't forget the syrupal overcurrent. The syrupal overcurrent. Of course! Yeah! We are so sorry! Oh. Christ, I can't tell if they're scientists or stand-up comedians. Poopy? I think they're both, and it's unbearable. Darling, you can't handle genius with a side of giggles. All right. Listen up, sugar plums. This ain't a circus, and it ain't an all-you-can-throw buffet. You wanna fight? Take it outside. You wanna chase treasure? Do it without blowing my circuits. And if anyone lays one sticky finger on my pie case again, you'll be wearing waffles as a hat. Clear? Heaven help me. Why'd I ever transfer from Flo's place? Probability of us ending up in that waffle hat, 68%. Adjusted to 72% once she picked up the rolling pin. At least there, the weirdos tip better. Oh, for the love of lamp oil! Flo's map is scrambled. It looks like a toddler doodled with starlight crayons. Sugar, I don't read gibberish before brunch. Give me that map. I'll figure it out faster than you two can say abracadabra. Poopy, don't strain yourself. It's obviously a cipher. I just don't know what a cipher is. Swami! Aha! At last, a true intellectual challenge worthy of my prodigious brain power. And mine. Don't forget mine. I've got the logarithms and the Looneyisms all ready. Observe, the glowing symbols are not nonsense. They're pancake fractals aligned with Siri constellations. Exactly. Each swirl corresponds to a planetary orbit, or possibly a spaghetti noodle. Both are mathematically valid. If you rotate the symbols 90 degrees counterclockwise and multiply by the fluff factor of 3, the path to the bottle reveals itself. Well, color me confetti. You two are either brilliant or completely bananas. Kids these days think they're Einstein with eyeliner. Just don't spill coffee on my floor while you go save the galaxy.